Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be removing the Citroen C4 Picasso Spactourer 2013 to 2019 front window switch. This might look a bit different because I've removed the cover to show you which clips you are detaching, but with a flathead tool, get in between the switch and the door pull handle and partially remove. Do not try to remove one side completely. All along you will need to be removing these clips that hold the switch in place, and just all along, partially, little bit by little, remove the window switch. If you have trouble, I'll show you how to remove the cover to get to the clips on one side. Now you'll need to unplug. The blue one is a locking mechanism and it unplugs by just pulling out the blue section. And then the next two is just a push to unclip. These are the clips, these metal ones there's 5 of these that hold the mirror switch in place. Now for the cover, if you do need to remove it, with a tool, get between the bottom and gently pull. These are held on by clips and can easily break, so keep that in mind. I'll personally do it the first method. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.